Okay, you have this graphing practice, and what we're actually going to do is scroll all the way to the very end almost. So it's like the 5th page down. There's some examples of graphing standard form. Oops. So if I want to do these examples, I'm going to use the method of solving for y. 4x plus 3y equals 0. So I want to get the y by himself, so I'm going to circle the 3 and the y and draw my line. The 4x needs to move. The 4x is positive, so I need to minus 4x and minus 4x. I get 3y equals negative 4x plus 0. Again, I'm solving for the y. So to get y by himself, I need to divide by 3, divide by 3, and divide by 3. Y equals negative 4 over 3x plus 0 divided by 3 is 0. This is my y-intercept. So I'm going to go to my y-axis and put a point. This is my slope, which is my rise over my run, which is my m. So from that dot, I'm going to go down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the positive 1, 2, 3. And then you just connect the dots like that. And there's your line. So let's try again. Let's do number 2. 6x plus y equals 5. We're solving for y. So I'm going to circle y, draw a line. The thing on the y side is 6x. So I'm going to minus 6x and minus 6x. These cancel off, and you get y equals, write your x stuff first, negative 6x, and that 5 is a positive, so plus 5. This is my y-intercept. So I'm going to go to my y-axis and find 5, positive 5. And then this negative 6 is a negative 6 over 1. It's my rise over my run. It's my slope. It's my m. So from my green dot, I'm going to go down 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then go to the positive side 1. And then draw your line with arrows on the end of it. I'm going to do one more, and then you can finish this practice. I'm going to do number 4. So 3x plus 2y equals negative 6. We're solving for y, so circle the 2 and the y and draw your line. The stuff on the 2y side is 3x. I need to move it. It's positive, so I subtract it. Subtract it. 2y equals x stuff first, minus 3x, and then minus 6. Remember, I'm solving for just y. Y is chilling with 2, and they're multiplying, so I need to divide everything by a 2. Y equals negative 3 over 2x, and then type negative 6 divided by 2 in the calculator, you'll get negative 3. This is my y-intercept, so go to your y-axis and graph negative 3. This is your m, is your slope, is your rise over your run, which is negative 3 over 2. So from this green dot, I'm going to go down 1, 2, 3, and over 1, 2. And draw my line. There's a good handful more for you to do, and the answers are at the very end.